I want you to imagine making tens of thousands of dollars watching sports in passive income. That's exactly what I'm going to show you on this video. And take a look at this. There are people making almost $1 million every single month online with this strategy, but I'm going to give you a massive bonus on this video, and I'm going to show you how you can make even more money online utilizing this strategy. And it involves, like I said, watching and taking action with your favorite sport. So if you love your soccer, you can make money online utilizing strategy, or even if you're into your basketball, you can make money with this method. You can even do this in cricket or baseball and hockey and so many different niches out there, guys. And if you're into your fighting and your UFC and your boxing, you can make money online with this strategy in passive income. So if you want to get started today, make sure that you watch this entire video, because I'll show you exactly how you can do this step by step. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, it's Alan here again from the Smart Money Tactics channel, where I post reliable content every single day to teach you how to make money online. If this is the first time you've come to my channel, go down the bottom, hit that subscribe button, turn on all the notifications, and I'll make sure you get notified every time I post a brand new video. And make sure that you watch this video to the end so you can see who the $100 PayPal giveaway winner is and what you need to do to enter the next giveaway. So today, guys, as I said, I want to show you how to make passive income in the sporting niche. For example, in football or in baseball or cricket or basketball or UFC. Now, I want you to take a look at this channel over here on YouTube. It's called the Home of Football. Okay, now this channel over here has 592,000 subscribers, and this channel probably puts in about 1 to 2 hours of work a month in order to get an outstanding amount of money online by people watching their channel. But all they need to do, guys, they don't need to create any of the content, they don't need to be on camera, and they don't even need to show their face, and they're absolutely crushing it. So if you have time to watch some of these sporting channels, then you have time to make money online with YouTube in this passive niche. Okay, guys, and I want to show you exactly how they can do it, because as you can see, they're only posting one video probably once every single month. You got 3 weeks ago over here, 1 month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, and they're absolutely crushing it. And I want to show you exactly how they're doing it, and I want to show you how to get this footage, how to create the thumbnails as well. It's very, very simple. So if you come over here and take a look at this channel, okay, guys, first thing that you want to do is you want to click onto one of these videos, and I want to show you over here the first way that they're making money online, guys, and that is through ad revenue. And I want to show you how you can replicate this without doing a lot of work and also absolutely crush it. So the first thing you're going to see over here is that they do have ads on their channel. The second thing, guys, when you come over here, I want to play a quick snippet of their video, okay, because all they're doing, guys, is they're going out and finding this content and they're using it. And because they're only very, very quick snippets of goals, top 10 goals, top 10 headers, and I want to show you how you can niche down. So if I quickly play this over here, this is a video called top 50 goals in October. So you can do top 50 goals in November, December, then you can do different type teams. You can do Barcelona, you can do Juventus, you can do Real Madrid, etc. And you can do this in any sporting niche. Okay, guys, this is why this niche is massive, and I want to show you how to double down and make even more money. So make sure you keep watching. So if we come over here, guys, and I'll play this for you. Just wanted to very quickly interrupt this video, guys, to announce the two $50 PayPal giveaway winners. If you can see your names down here, congratulations. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. Now, if you guys want to go into the draw for the next $100 PayPal giveaway, you need to do exactly the same. So go down the bottom right now, smash that like button on this video, share it, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and you'll go into the draw for my next $100 PayPal giveaway. Let's keep going with the video. Basically, what you can see over here, guys, sorry, and ads just started, but what you can see over here is what they're doing is they've just gone out and found some awesome goals that they think are in the top 50 for October, and they've compiled them. And I want to show you how you can do this, okay? Then you can see that they've got a music overlay, so they're not even utilizing their own voice or anything like that, and they're absolutely crushing. And when I say crushing it, one of the ways that they're making money online, guys, as you can see here, they're making anything up to $8,000 every single month with this clear strategy. But if we come back over to their video over here, let me just come over to here. You can see here that they have a link over here called Home of Football Store. And if you click onto this store over here, it's going to take you over to a website where they're selling different types of merchandise. But I want to show you how to do this without having your own store. There is a way that you can do this and absolutely crush it, guys. And people are doing this just by watching these different sporting videos. Now, another way that you can do this, guys, is to quite simply sign up to Amazon Associates, okay, guys? And when you sign up to Amazon Associates, what you can do is have a link in your description of different jerseys and different soccer balls where people could potentially purchase a whole heap of this stuff. And this is why it is awesome to niche down and to do top 10 goals by Barcelona, you do top 10 goals by Juventus, and then what you do is you branch out into different types of sporting niches. For example, like this guy over here is also doing football over here and different types of goals, okay? But if you come over here, guys, you can do this in basketball, you could do this in cricket or baseball, and you can do this in UFC or boxing, etc. Because these sporting niches at the moment, guys, are absolutely blowing up. So how do you do this? Now, if we come back over to this video over here, let's say, let me just play this and get rid of this ad over here. What I want to do is show you exactly the different types of videos that he's using. So as you can see here, he's using top 50 goals, okay? So if we come over to his channel over here, what you're going to find is he's got top 50 goals, top 15, top 20, top 100, guys. And take a look at this, 124,000 views, 109,000 views, 575,000 views. Now, these videos, guys, they're videos that are out there already on the internet that you can find, okay? And quite simply, what a lot of people are doing, let's say you wanted to get some footage from one of these videos, what you would do is you'd come over to this video over here. You would quite simply copy this link over here. So you'd come over here, you'd copy this, and then what you do is you come over to Google and you type in YouTube to MP4 converter. And once you type in that, you can come down here and you can click onto this first link over here. And once you click onto this, this is going to find you a converter like this, or you can come over here, you can find another converter, any YouTube converter, guys, that you find where it allows you to download that video. And what you're going to do is you're going to take snippets of that video, and I want to show you then how you can create your own top 50, top 100, whatever you want, top header goals. So you come over here, guys, you quite simply copy that into here and you click on to convert. And once you click on to convert, you download that, and that's going to download that video to your computer. Once you have this entire video, then you can use different content from this video to create your own video, which you're going to upload to your own YouTube channel, and you're going to start to get a ton of views. And when I say you're going to get a ton of views, if we take a look at this channel over here, guys, this guy's only had 70 videos. He's only uploaded 70 videos, and he has 592,000 subscribers, guys. Plus, on top of that, he's driving traffic to his own store where he's absolutely crushing it. Because when you take a look at this, if you see here, he's getting 1.5 million views every single month. So you can imagine how much money he would be making from his store. So once you download this over here and this downloads to your computer, what you then need, guys, is you need to download a site like this one over here called openshot.org, or you can even get one called OBS Studio. And this is a software that then you can upload this video and you can cut and edit these different goals to create your own video, which then you can upload to YouTube, so you can start to make passive income utilizing YouTube. Okay, this is super powerful, guys. A lot of people are doing this and absolutely crushing it to make money online in the sporting niche or any niche that you want when it comes to sport. Now, when you take a look at these different videos over here, guys, you're going to find that a lot of them have different tags over here that they're using. Okay, so when you come over here, this person's got association football, he's got sport, etc. And then what you want to do is you want to download a site over here called vidiq.com. Now, I'll have a couple of links in my description, okay, guys, for all this stuff. This is free, okay? So you come over here, download this, and this is going to allow you to see what tags a lot of these different types of channels are using, and you can quite simply copy these tags. Now, in order to create some of these thumbnails, now, guys, you're going to find that a lot of these thumbnails are quite simply screenshots of different footage that you actually have on this video. And this is very easy, guys. All you need to do is come over here and sign up to a site called canva.com. Okay, and with Canva, it's absolutely free, and you can quite simply, you come over here to create a design, and all you need to do is click onto custom design and just choose 1920 by 1080. Okay, and anything that you find, any picture that you find, you can come over here, you can upload it, and you can add a text overlay, which is then going to allow you to upload this onto YouTube, guys, and then you can use this on your thumbnails to absolutely crush it utilizing Canva and getting an awesome click-through rate. So if you guys want to start to make money on YouTube, guys, and absolutely crush it, like these channels over here that are making $30,000 every single month, and some of them as much as 900,000, guys, and a lot of them are absolutely crushing it with their own stores, all you need to do is sign up to YouTube, create your own channel, guys. Come over here, take a look at all these different types of videos, create your own compilation videos in any one of these different sporting niches, download these videos, cut and edit, and upload them back onto YouTube, guys, because all these channels that I found over here are monetized and they're making a lot of money through ad revenue. And from there, guys, like I said, quite simply come over to Amazon, sign up to Amazon, and start promoting these different products so that you can make even more money on YouTube. As you can see, guys, all these people are doing this and they're absolutely crushing it by promoting these different types of sporting goods on their YouTube channel. All you need to do, guys, like I showed you over here, is quite simply add a different description over here. As you can see, like this person is over here, and once anybody clicks onto this and goes over to Amazon and purchases any one of these different type of apparel or sporting equipment, you will make money online. But the key to this is if you want to niche down to certain sports, and then you can niche down to even teams, and then do top 10, basketball shots by the LA Lakers or Chicago Bulls, etc. You can start to make a ton of money online because these different channels get millions of views, guys. Like this channel of this video over here, just on this video that was uploaded on the 2nd of November, has already had 43,000 views, guys. And it's not unlikely for a lot of these videos to get tens of millions of views. Now, if you guys want to know how to create a YouTube channel and make money on YouTube, guys, if you click onto the link in my description over here, guys, you can see here that I've got a YouTube coaching and mentoring course. Quite simply, if you click onto this link over here, you can watch a video of how I make money on YouTube and how I make passive income on YouTube, guys. And if you decide and you want my help, myself and another YouTuber that's got an awesome channel, Caffeinated Blogger, have a course called Jet Video Academy, guys, where we have up to 50 videos where we'll teach you exactly how you can do this so that you can make money on YouTube and get passive income. We'll show you exactly how to do this, guys, and double down with affiliate marketing so that you can make a lot of money online. So if you want, guys, check out that link in my description, and we'll be more than happy to help you join our private Facebook group, and you'll be on your way to making a lot of money online utilizing YouTube. So that was my video for today, guys, and an awesome way that you can make money online watching sports, utilizing these sports, creating your own channel, and doubling down with affiliate marketing. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button in appreciation. Leave me a comment so you can enter the next $100 PayPal giveaway, but don't go anywhere. I've got another awesome video over here that you can watch right now of an even better way that you can make more money online, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until tomorrow, I'm Alan from Smart Money Tactics. You take care of yourselves, and goodbye.